You just landed in Canada. You have savings, you have a job, but your credit score? It's zero. And that zero is going to cost you. Renting an apartment? Harder. Getting a phone plan? Harder. Buying a car? Much harder. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build your Canadian credit score from scratch, fast. A credit score is a number between 300 and 900. Think of it as your financial report card in Canada. The higher your number, the more lenders and landlords trust you. A score below 600 means you'll struggle to rent an apartment or get a phone plan without a big deposit. A score above 760, you get the best interest rates, easiest approvals, and more financial freedom. The problem for newcomers is that your credit history from your home country does not transfer to Canada. You start at zero, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Here's the breakdown. 300 to 559 is poor. This means you'll likely be denied for most credit products. 560 to 659 is fair. You might get approved, but with high interest rates. 660 to 724 is good. This is where most Canadians sit, and it opens most stores. 725 to 759 is very good. And 760 to 900 is excellent. This is your goal. This is where you get the best mortgage rates, the best car loans, and the easiest approvals. As a newcomer, your goal for your year is to reach at least 660. Year 2, aim for 725 or higher. Your credit score is calculated based on 5 factors. Number 1, and this is the most important, is your payment history. This is 35% of your score. Pay on time, every time. Even one missed payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Number 2 is credit utilization. This is how much of your credit limit you're using. Keep this below 30%. If your limit is 1,000, don't spend more than 300 before paying it off. Number 3 is the length of your credit history. The longer, the better. This is why you need to start now. Number 4 is new credit inquiries. Every time someone checks your credit, it can drop slightly. Don't apply for too many things at once. And number 5 is credit mix. Having different types of credit, like a card and a loan, helps. Okay, let's get into the actual steps. Step 1. Get a secured credit card. As a newcomer with no credit history, a regular credit card will likely be denied. A secured credit card is different. You put a down deposit, usually 200 to 500, and that becomes your credit limit. You use it like a normal credit card, buy groceries, pay your phone bill, and then pay it off in full every single month. This builds your payment history, which is the most important factor. Remember, the best options in Canada for newcomers are the Home Trust Secured Visa and the Refresh Financial Secured Card. Both accept newcomers with no credit history. Apply for one this week. Step 2. Open a Canadian bank account the same day you get your secured credit card. Use Simply Financial or Tangerine. Both are completely free. No monthly fees and newcomer friendly. This matters because your bank account establishes your financial identity in Canada. Lenders and landlords want to see that you have a stable banking relationship. It also makes it easy to set up automatic payments for your credit card, which protects your payment history score. Step 3. You need to track your credit score so you can see it growing. The best free tool for this in Canada is Borrowell. It's completely free. It updates your score every week, and this is important. Checking your own score does not hurt it. That's called a soft inquiry. Borrowell also tells you exactly which factors are helping or hurting your score, so you know what to fix. I have a free sign-up link in my bio. Use my link to get started. It takes 2 minutes to sign up, and you'll see your starting score right away. Step 4. This is the rule that most newcomers don't know, and it's costing them points every single month. It's called the 30% utilization rule. Here's how it works. If your credit card limit is 1,000, you should never spend more than 300 before paying it off. That's 30%. Why? Because the credit bureaus see high utilization as a sign of financial stress. If you're maxing out your card every month, even if you pay it off, your score suffers. So if your limit is 500, keep spending under 150. If your limit is 1000, stay under 300. Pay the full balance every month. This single habit can boost your score by 50 to 100 points over 6 months. Step 5, and this is non-negotiable. Never, ever miss a credit card payment. One single missed payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points instantly, and it stays on your record for 6 years. 6 years! So the very first thing you should do after getting your secured credit card is set up automatic payments through your bank. Set it to pay the minimum amount automatically. This protects you from ever missing a due date. But always aim to pay the full balance, not just the minimum, so you avoid interest charges. Autopay is your insurance policy for your credit score. Here's what to realistically expect on your credit building journey. In 1 month, your job is to get your secured credit card, open your bank account, and sign up for Borrowell. In months 2 and 3, you won't see a score yet. It takes 2 to 3 months for activity before the credit bureau assign you a score. Don't panic. By month 6, if you've been paying on time and keeping utilization under 30%, your score should be in the 600 to 650 range. By month 12, you could be at 680 to 720, which is good enough to apply for a regular unsecured credit card, get better phone plans, and start looking at car financing. Now, let me tell you the mistakes that newcomers make that set them back by months. Number 1. Applying for too many credit cards at once. Every application triggers a hard inquiry and drops your score slightly. Apply for one card. Use it well for 6 months. Then apply for another. Number 2. Closing old accounts. Even if you don't use a card anymore, keeping it open helps your credit history length. Number 3. We already talked about this. Using more than 30% of your limit. And number 4. Co-signing a loan or credit card for someone else. If they miss payments, your score gets hurt too. Avoid this until your credit is very strong. Here's a question I got a lot. What if I just arrive and I don't have my SIN number yet? Good news. You can still start. All 5 major Canadian banks, RBC, TD, Scotiabank, BMO, and CIBC have dedicated newcomer banking programs. Some allow you to open an account with just your passport and work permit while you wait for your SIN. And some secured credit cards also accept newcomers without a full credit history or SIN number. Go to your nearest bank branch and ask specifically about their newcomer program. They want your business. Don't be shy. Here's why all this matters in real dollars. Let's say you want to finance a $30,000 car in Canada. With a poor credit score around 580, you might get an interest rate at 12 to 18%. With a good score of 700, that drops to 6 to 8%. With an excellent score of 780, you might get 3 to 5%. The difference between a poor score and an excellent score on that car loan? Over 8,000 in extra interest payments. And that same principle applies to your mortgage, your personal loans, everything. Building your credit score isn't just a number game. It's thousands of dollars in real savings. Alright, let me give you your exact action plan for this week. Step 1. Apply for a secured credit card. Home Trust or Refresh Financial. Step 2. Open a free bank account at Simply or Tangerine. Step 3. Sign up for Borrowell using my free link in the bio. Track your score from week 1. Step 4. Set up autopay on your credit card so you never miss a payment. Do these 4 things this week, and in 12 months, you'll have a credit score that opens doors. For apartments, for car loans, for your future in Canada. All the free links are in my bio. I'll link everything for you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I post new Canada money tips every single week, made simple for newcomers and anyone building their financial life here. Share this with someone who just moved to Canada. This information could save them thousands. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to Canada. Let's build your financial future together.